Escape is an instrumental track by The Ventures, a legendary American surf rock band known for their influence on instrumental rock music. The song showcases the band's signature style with clean guitar tones, catchy melodies, and a rhythmic surf rock groove. The track highlights the use of electric guitars, bass, and drums, characteristic of The Ventures' style. Escape by The Ventures is a fantastic choice for piano learners, as its captivating melody and rhythmic structure translate beautifully to the keyboard. The instrumental piece's atmospheric charm and flowing musical patterns make it enjoyable to play. Before diving into the melody, it's essential to practice the A minor scale, as it lays the foundation for the song's tonal structure. Mastering this scale will enhance your finger strength, improve your familiarity with the key, and make transitioning to the melody smoother and more intuitive.
Sa sa ga sa 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 ga sa 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 ga sa 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 ga sa sa ga ma pa ma ga 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 sa ni sa ri ga ri sa ri ga ri sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni sa ma ga ma pa da pa ma da pa ma pa da ni da pa ma pa ri sa ri ga ri sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni sa. Pa 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 da 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 ni 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa ga ma pa ma ga 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 sa ga ga ma ga ma pa da pa ma pa pa da ni da pa ni 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 da 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 pa pa ni 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 da 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 pa pa sa ga ma pa ma ga sa ga ma pa ma ga.
We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.